Today we're going to tackle the wild, natural eyebrow. The great thing about the eyebrow styling tool is that in addition to having an automatic sharpening tip, it also has an eyebrow brush on the opposite side. So start by using that to actually comb up the eyebrow in the shape you desire. Then flip the tool around and bring up that point just a little bit so that you can start to create and draw in single eyebrow hairs and fill in any gaps that you're seeing within your own eyebrow. To add just a little bit more definition and dimension, we are using the Shape and Shade Brow Tint in Spiked. You could also choose a brow shade that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your natural brow hair to create additional dimension. You want to use the felt tip end in short, concise strokes to build the brow intensity wherever you need it. Our last step is to finish the eyebrows with Big Boost Fiber Gel. An important pro tip when using this product is to wipe off any excess product before applying it in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Then use the brush to groom the brow in the position that you want for ultimate hold. And in just 4 easy steps, we've created a wild, natural brow.